Protecting your personal information doesn't have to be difficult or cause you to rethink your whole online existence. Begin with these 5 tips and you'll make yourself unattractive to scammers. At the end of this video will be a discount code to the online course this information was taken from and where you can learn more. For a minimal cost, you can use services like Proton Mail to create email addresses within the same user account for categories like banking, shopping, work, personal, and miscellaneous. Using a service like 33Mail provides you the opportunity to create burner emails on the fly, even at the free account level. Go through your social media accounts and determine what sensitive information you may have inadvertently displayed and remove it. Next, make sure to delete unused accounts. Many social media platforms may not honor a removal request, but try it anyway. After you've deleted all the apps you don't use and chosen the privacy settings for those that remain, make sure everything is updated. Apps and systems that are not version current are an open door to crimers. Reusing passwords or simple modifications to a core and likely not very unique password is probably the #1 bad habit of online users. Install a password manager that offers a password generator tool and you've put yourself in the upper percentile for online account security. This simple step to locking down your online accounts is not only easy but quick to implement once you get in the habit. An app like Authy functions on all devices and leaves you no excuse for implementing this most important security step wherever it is offered. Use discount code YT30 at checkout and get 30% off the full course price.